It's really good. My dad would be proud.
Last week on Walde Sailing, we left Quathiaski Cove and began our journey up the Johnstone Strait. Timing currents became very important as they could easily overpower our boat and create some very dangerous water. We made our way north quite quickly, stopping in little bays only just for the night before continuing on. Well, it is a pretty nice day out. A little wet, a little dreary, but we're cozy inside, getting work done. And yeah, bit of a down day, but I guess that's okay.
Thank you.
We have got to stop buying these things.
So, should have done this before. We're up early again to make the tide to our next destination. It's going to be another long day today, but hopefully a lot faster if we're going with the current. So it's been a bummer that we haven't gone to shore in the last few places. The weather's just been cold, or I don't know. Too many excuses, but yesterday was raining pretty good and it was really cold here, so we didn't get to go to shore, but it is beautiful. The holding was really nice. The wind was pretty strong, but yeah, the holding was great. So anyway, moving on. We left Mary Island in the early morning, hoping to get as far as we could before the tide changed and the current would turn against us.
With the motor on, we set the course on the autopilot and spent most of the trip enjoying the views and watching out for debris in the water.
The sun is out! And we've gained a little speed, from pulling up a Genoa, which is very exciting. So we both just had a shower because we needed it, and now we're gonna go head to shore. But I just noticed this crazy boat. Do you see that canoe there?
Yeah, it looks like some sort of traditional thing.
So this is just gonna be a quick stop here for the night, and then we're gonna head on to Port Hardy. I think Port Hardy tomorrow. So we'll see. There's a museum here which we'd really like to check out. I'm not sure if it's open today. It's Saturday, so we'll have to find out. This is a bit of a last minute decision to come here, so hopefully it's open. If not, I mean, I'm sure it'll be nice to just walk around a bit. So I'm excited to get to shore. We've finally gone somewhere where we can go to shore. It's not raining. Sailboat. Alert Bay has a very rich and colorful history. Artifacts have been found on the island that date all the way back to 4200 BC. The evidence of the First Nation heritage is all around the town and include an ancient burial ground that still has many beautiful totem poles on display. The first European settlers didn't arrive until 1870 AD, when the island was used as part of the salmon fishery. Moving very fast.
The stove!
Oh, it stinks so bad.
It's a little smoky in here now. Yeah, get that open! Woo! Just relit itself.
Do you want to open the front hatch too? You should video about what actually happened. Oh, it smells so bad.
Our diesel stove, whenever there's a large gust, it blows itself out. And then it just smokes.
It smells horrible.
So gross. But then it lights itself up again in a big explosion, which I tried to capture on camera, but...
Did it light it again?
yeah, it lit itself.
Oh wow, that's insane. That's just from the gust, right?
So...
why is this so tiny? Good thing we're heating it up in here, so you're gonna open all the hatches and cool it right down again. Writing in his diary. We are just about to leave Alert Bay. We're heading to Hardy Port. No.
Port Hardy.
Oh my goodness, I can never get the names right.
I know.
Port Hardy. To reprovision. There's supposed to be some pretty big wind that's going to come through this afternoon and evening. So it's going to be more protected than here. It's pretty wide open to where the wind's going to come from here. So we're gonna head there. We're gonna hopefully find a place to anchor. It doesn't look like there's a lot as far as on the Navionics, but there's got to be some places to anchor. If not, we'll have to grab the dock. So hopefully not. We don't want to pay for that, right? Anyway, we gotta go. We're a bit of a late start, but we only have a couple hour.
5 hours.
No. No, for real? It's 5? No. Okay. It's pretty calm out there today, which is, I don't know. I think we're anticipating just riding with the current, so we're not really planning on any wind working for us, but that would be nice. So we'll see. 5 hours. This is like day 5 of every morning. Wake up, motor for 5 hours. Wake up, motor for 5 hours. So it's just getting a little old. But I'd just like to stay in a place for more than one night.
Hi! Hi!
Hi, Lyndon. That is an adorable little lighthouse. It looks so European, which it's not. It's in Canada. Do you want to know something that I'm really excited about? That's where we are. We're in the Queen Charlotte Strait, and that up there is the open Pacific Ocean. Oops. So that's extremely exciting. It's like it's open ocean in front of us, or almost. It's what we've been working towards. Oh, Lyndon, there's the little porpoises out here. Oh, they're so cute. Man, this is gorgeous out here. Just everything like so monochromatic. Could you grab me my real camera?
I want you to shave my head.
I know. So we dropped anchor here. Seems super sketchy and really close to like this narrow channel. Fishing boats, there's a crab pod there, a big rock. And then we realized that we're not supposed to anchor here. And we got our bays mixed up. So we're gonna have to pull up the anchor and go just outside of here. So we had to just thread through that narrow little channel there. And then we
No
need to
problem
actually...
for Tiff though, master navigator.
You think?
I'm master anchor puller upper.
Yeah.
You did it once, flipped me out.
Yeah, but this is your own doing. It's like you wanted to do it again. Right?
Excuse me. We need to get anchored so we can eat lunch, or else we're gonna have a rough afternoon together.
Getting a little hangry. Okay, let's do this again. So we're extremely out in the open.
Exposed anchorage.
Nice exposed anchorage with a wind warning.
Wow, we've had a wind warning for like the last 5 days.
Yeah, we'll see. Well, it's really set. Whoops. So it should be good. Where are we going?
Out into the depths of the storm.
It's so rainy out there. Why?
I regret circumnavigating the island.
Just at this point.
I wish we would have just done like a U.
Stay in the south. No, it'll be good. It'll be good. We've just been like booting it hard up this side of the island, which has been not fun. And then just the rain and the cold is a real bummer, but it is just the beginning of June. You know what they say, June showers bring July. Wait, what? May,
Yeah.
April?
June.
April showers? May, June.
It's cold.
Yeah. We gotta go find some Wi-Fi.
And damp. It's very damp.
Yes.
Okay, come on.
Yeah.
Sometimes I feel like you record me for so long when we're trying to leave somewhere.
Okay. I'm trying to get something interesting.
Looks like we just got back from our provisioning run in the nick of time. What are you doing?
I am making a creamsicle with an orange freezy and some cream. Lyndon thinks I'm a little weird. It tastes pretty good. It's really good. My dad would be proud. It looks pretty gross.
She's literally just poured cream. I married a crazy woman, guys.
Did you light the fire successfully this time? Are you gonna burn our boat down again? Threaten to burn our boat down?
Oh, there you go. That's the sound you want to hear. Boom!
Lyndon, Walde, oh my goodness.
Hope you guys enjoyed that episode. Thanks to all our patrons for your support. You guys are the reason we can keep these videos coming. If you'd like to support the channel in a different way, please give it a share on your Facebook page or leave a comment, and don't forget to like. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. Links are below. You guys are the best. Have a great week.